In what? So, what? Let me see. Fridge. I can't fucking read. Dude, open the goddamn thing so I can read it. I sell fridges. Okay, show it to everybody. So you were prepared for this shit. I got you 4 years ago? How? What do you really do? What's your thing? You working?
Selfridges, London.
Self what?
Selfridges.
Selfages? I don't understand you.
Selfridges.
This accent is crazy. It was nice talking to you. Selfridge, thanks for the enunciating. You sell perfume? I mean, you got a very edgy look. The last thing I thought, you be in the mall, smells amazing. Would you like to smell this, Mohsen? You're so freaking sensitive. You're such a wuss. 4 years later, you buy front row tickets. Buy a t-shirt, I sell fridges. You are the epitome of a doodle teller.